We created the GDS Wealth Management Experience because the clients are the most important asset to us. The way it begins is with a quick phone call to introduce ourselves, to learn more about you, and to share about our process to see if we're a good fit.
Afterwards, if we discover that we're a good fit, we offer to do a discovery meeting. This is simply where we ask a series of questions that takes a deeper dive into what's important to you, our client. It's a chance for us to get to know you a little bit better and have you get to know us. Afterwards, if we still feel like it's a mutual fit, we offer to build a comprehensive, complimentary financial plan. Some firms charge $3,000 to $5,000 for this type of plan because not all plans are created equal. In fact, over 20 years of doing this, we've seen about a dozen financial planning softwares. And fun fact, only half of those are sophisticated enough to engage tax strategies and change as tax laws change. Look at Social Security. How and when a client should take it, that's the best bang for their pocketbook. Roth conversions. This is a huge topic recently, whether or not they make sense for a client and how we can save them money. And one of the biggest things is healthcare. Healthcare is one of the biggest expenses in retirement that people are not prepared for. Lastly, legacy and estate planning. Many people don't think about that when they're looking at financial planning, but our plan takes a deep dive into every aspect of what you say is important to you.
Next, we set up a meeting to review the customized financial plan. In this meeting, we're going to look at what you're on track for or not on track for. And if we're not on track, what levers we need to do to adjust to get you back on track. We will also discuss any investment recommendations that we have for you and next steps, in addition to fees down to the penny.
Afterwards, we talk about our service model. And if you like it and want to become a client, we'd love to have you. If not, no harm, no foul. Everything was completely complimentary.
If we have the privilege of working with you, we'll start our service model. What you can expect is twice a year to sit down with the CFP that we have, either in person or a Zoom, to go over your financial plan to see if you're still on track for retirement or any goals you have, in addition to go over the investments, how they've performed. In addition to those 2 meetings, which will be done semi-annually, we will do 4 meetings a year, which we will proactively reach out to you to answer any questions you might have and to give you timely information on the market. And lastly, you'll be welcome to our famous seminars and client appreciation events throughout the year.
You can fill out a form online or give us a call. Bottom line, we look forward to speaking with you soon.